politician, be a cousin, be a controversy stick.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Edivision, the channel where we look at sports differently. Now, I'm sure you all are aware, or you might be just getting this news, but according to the Jamaica Observer, Dujuan Whisper Richards, Jamaican wonder kid, set to sign. And when I say set to sign for a English Premier League club. Yes, you heard it right.
Thank God.
Now, according to the papers, KC standout Dujuan Whisper Richards is set to sign a contract with a top English Premier League football club in a matter of days. The Jamaica Observer has been reliably informed. It is understood that Richards, who recently went on a 2-week trial with EPL side Newcastle United, is expected to sign the contract on Friday in Kingston. The 17-year-old enjoyed a sensational campaign in the recently concluded schoolboy season, netting more than 30 goals while providing 19 assists for KC. He's also recently received his maiden national senior men's call-up and is expected to feature in the 2 upcoming friendly international games for the Reggae Boyz against Trinidad and Tobago. We think that this is good news, right? Well, there has been some development according to Craig Butler, and it reads, "Again, another sign of very poor, untrustworthy reporting. Please be advised that at no time had Phoenix Sports Management, the management team of Dujuan Richards, nor his family disclosed to anyone, including the writer of this article in the Jamaica Observer, that our client is signing with any club, much less a London-based club. We find it unprofessional and hogwash to state these things in the media with no such confirmation from the player nor his management. Robert Bailey, you're a disgrace." Jamaica Observer. Now people, who are we supposed to believe? Are we supposed to believe the newspaper that should be credible? They're stating that they got it from credible sources. Or should we believe Craig Butler, who also should be a credible source as it relates to Dujuan Whisper Richards? And for me, this is very black or white. It's either he's signing for a club or he's not signing for a club. Craig Butler did not really give an answer for this, right? If you read clearly, he's just saying that the newspaper did not get any confirmation about this. It could mean one of two things. It could mean that he's not signing, or it could be a matter of the information being leaked and Craig does not want that information to be leaked. And we all know when it comes to football and agents, sometimes that relationship between clubs, any doings, any contracts, negotiation, you have to be quiet about it. You know what I mean? Not everything is out in the public. So maybe Craig Butler wants to come out to say, hey, this information, if it's true, I did not release it. I was not the one to release this information. So, again, who are we supposed to believe? We are being left guessing right now. Is he going or is he not going? There hasn't been a confirmation by Craig Butler, so as of now, we cannot say he's going unless we see more information. We need more proof to really come out and say he's going. The newspaper said they are credible. Craig Butler supposed to be credible as well. At this point, fans, we just have to wait and see. I'm not going to come out and say he's going or he's not going. I don't know. I'm waiting to see Whisper sign that contract. You know what I mean? I want him to go, obviously, but we all know that's a very ticklish matter in terms of him being 18 and all of that. So we don't know what will happen. So another wait and see. But it looks sticky. You know what I mean? And we wouldn't want for there to be actually a deal and then the observer comes out and releases this information and somehow the deal collapses and he's not going because of this. Worst thing can happen. I know in this climate everybody wants to be the first to break news, but sometimes it's important for you to wait on confirmation. Wait on the club announcement before. So fans, what do you believe? Let me know in the comment section. Do you believe the papers or do you believe Craig Butler? Is Whisper on his way to England? We all want to say that. But the waters have been a little bit muddy. Very sticky situation. But let me know what you think about this article from the paper. And let me know what you think about what Craig Butler said about Whisper. Drop those comments in the comment section below. This is Eddie Gona. Thanks for watching. And always remember, like, share, and subscribe.
Hey peeps, Kemal Malcolm here, Jamaican International. And you're watching Eddie's Vision. Like, share, and subscribe.